Yeah, move. There you go. There you go. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah, just look at it.
That's pretty cool.
Mm.
Yeah, just like that. Yeah. Wow.
It's a lot of spore, huh?
Uh-huh.
I just had to share this with you guys tonight. I'm so excited. We were out doing our slug hunt for the evening with flashlights, and I looked over at my oyster mushroom and it was releasing its spores. So excited I had to share this. Oh my gosh.
That's cool. That's amazing.
I wanna be in the ocean when the coral does this. Would it look better if we had the lights off?
That's good.
Oh my goodness.
It's having a hard time focusing with the light the way it is now.